Hi there guys, it's your French teacher Andrei and welcome to this video. In today's lesson we are learning to count in French. So let's begin. 0, un, une, deux, deux, trois, trois, quatre, quatre, cinq, cinq, six, six, sept, sept, huit, huit, neuf, neuf, dix, dix, onze, onze, douze, douze, treize, treize, quatorze, quatorze, quinze, quinze, seize, seize, dix-sept, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-huit, dix-neuf, dix-neuf, et finalement 20, 20. You'll see that there are some rules to remember for pronunciation. The consonants at the end of 5 and 8 are pronounced. However, this is only true when the numbers stand alone, or precede a vowel or age mute, or are at the end of a sentence. When either of those numbers is followed by a consonant, such as the example of sans pomme, as you probably noticed, I pronounced it without the consonant. Sans pomme, 5 apples. The X is pronounced S when they stand alone or are at the end of the sentence. The X sound, however, becomes a Z when they are in front of a vowel, such as is or a vowel sound, such as in the example of 10 or 18. When we see an H mute, obviously the H mute is not going to be pronounced. So in this specific case, we have a vowel that is being pronounced right after. 10 10 hours. However, the X will become silent when it is followed by another consonant, such as is this case. Diplôme, diplôme. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. For now, bye bye.